busy building a sort of cabinet, small cabinet. It's more finishing thing above the sliding doors. It will look like this. It starts very thin, by the way, at the upper cabinet that I just made, and it ends at the passenger seat. And this will have a panel in here. It's like this. And this panel will host the rheostat for the gas heater, as well as a light switch, a double light switch. In the end, this will be finished with very likely a sort of tweed or some cloth that makes it look a little bit nicer than this. So the first thing that I'll do is I have the thermostat for the gas heater here. That's fine. Still have to finish it later, so that's not a big deal. That works exactly the way it should. That's my rheostat for the gas heater. Okay, the next step is light switches. The 4 screw locations, that's what I'm going to do first. Got that attached, and now I'll be able to indicate where the holes are, and I have to take that out, of course. Got my 2 switches. Then I got my rheostat again. That's the way it's gonna look like. And it's still got some space for some additional monitor or whatever if I need that in the future or decide to. So the final step would be put this on. We've got 1 plus net here and 1 on the right. That cable from the gas heater comes in here. It's going to be attached to the rheostat. I have a plus nut here. There it is. Then I take the panel, would attach that, leave it loose for the time being. I still got a little bit of leftover shellac. Beautiful shine. That's the seat connector, so take that off. I'll have to take this out permanently now and find another space for it, which I haven't yet done, although I'm eyeing one specific place, but let me see. First I have to remove the seating for the hydraulic jack. Okay. That was easy. So that's for the jack. Very likely I have to cut both of these off to seat the gas heater, but that's we'll see how that works out. This is the location where the adapter, the transit adapter on the fuel tank is located. So the line comes out here and has to follow this beam to the front. So there's a nice little hole here that fits my plus nuts. The plus nut really fits well in this hole, so I'll be able to put this in here and then attach the fuel pump here. And the closer that the fuel pump gets to the gas tank, the better it is. So this is a good location. So then I got my contraption to do the plus nut, and I'll have a video link at the top right hand side of your screen. So let's see, it's a little bit awkward, but it should work. Okay, now I have to get the bowl out again. Yeah, that's a lot easier. Okay, now we'll do the fuel pump. I have the fuel pump. So this is the where the electric cable is attached, so I close it up temporarily, and that has to go forwards. And at the plus nut I want to connect this pump, so when that gas line comes out of the gas tank, it will have an easy connection out here. The Webasto gas heater, and likely others as well, is pretty finicky about air bubbles and so on, so you really have to follow the instructions exactly. What is supplied is a rubber, at least rubberized hook, that is again needed for a quiet operation of fuel pump. And I will use a little bit of thread locker, a little bit this time, to lock it into place. And I use a lock washer with teeth to lock the bolt in place as well. Okay. Okay. So I've got the main power line for the gas heater that goes to the batteries, as well as put in 2 lines for the switches. Put them in some wire loom, and now I'm pulling that through. Add some wire loom here. The final wire, and that's power wire for the gas heater. We're putting that through into this closet. Hi guys, this is Joey, and we're building a one-of-a-kind RV. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel.
If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe, or better yet, leave a comment. Thanks guys, you've done a good job.